Now, let me show you how you can stop blue boxes on your iPad. Most likely what you are referring to is the feature, which is an accessibility one. So let me just show it to you right now. If I go to settings and part of the accessibility feature, we have the VoiceOver. And when I enable it like this, you can see that everything gets kind of like selected in a square or rectangle, right? Everything is kind of put into a box. And the way that you control the iPad is that you have to select something first and then double click it to actually click there, right? But the point is that this is the feature which you want to disable. So either manually just go to the settings page that you want to reach, right? Make sure you go to accessibility, VoiceOver, and you can disable it like this, and those boxes will be gone. So that's the first way you can do it. But if you also have the Siri and Apple Intelligence enabled, you can as well have it turn on like this. If you have Siri enabled, it just means that you can be doing anything else. Just hold down on the power button, turn on the VoiceOver feature, right? And as you can see, this allows you to basically enable it or disable it just using the voice command. So I can also reverse it. Turn off the VoiceOver.
Okay, I turned VoiceOver off.
And as you can see, the feature which selected everything in a box is now turned off simply because I disabled it and I didn't have to click around because I used Siri for it. So let me know if it also worked for you. Hit the thumbs up if it did, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in future uploads.